Hi, Juha here from 3-Way Focus. Today one mother called to me that she have a son who have a problem with basic coordination skills and also verbal communication, and she need help because juggling help both of these symptoms. So I think we as a juggler, we are a little bit like firefighters. If somebody needs entertainment or education, we normally go. Example, today I have to travel 200 kilometers to Saigon, but I don't care, I want to help. So let's see what happens in Saigon Central Park. Almost. Great! Whoa! Now you do it with both hands. You can start with both hands. Yeah. Whoa! That was a nice trick.